Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we are replacing the backup light in this Toyota Auris. Stay tuned. So first of all we open the hatch, and then there's a cover. We pop off, put it aside, and here is the bulb, and we turn this counterclockwise to release it. Put it straight down. There you go. Can you guys see it? Yeah. So to replace it, just pull it straight out, take the new one, press it all in, and put it back. We just do the reverse, and turn it to lock it in place. And don't forget the cover. Goes in like that. There you go. Well, thanks for watching, guys.